Thanks for joining me. Today's question is, what are the annual filing requirements for my entity? And specifically, we're going to be talking about LLCs because that's the most common form that we see. Well, the answer here is, well, it varies because each state is going to have different requirements for the entities that are organized there. For instance, in Arizona, for an LLC, there is no annual fee or annual filing requirement for a statement with the Corporation Commission to keep your entity in good standing. Really, it's one time, set it and forget it. But for another state, like let's take Washington as an example, they are going to have annual reports that need to be filed and an annual fee that needs to be paid in order to keep your entity in good standing. So I want to be very clear that if you're hiring our firm to assist you with organizing your entity, those annual filing requirements are not automatic and they're not included in that fee. That's how we keep our costs low. So the state is going to be contacting you directly as the owner with the notices regarding those filing requirements. If you need assistance in meeting those annual filing obligations, we are more than happy to help you, but we need you to communicate that to us so that we know that's a service that we can help you with. So I'd encourage you to reach out to us if you have any questions. Now, if you're behind in those annual fees or filings and the state may have triggered a dissolution of your company, that is typically something that can be undone by paying appropriate fees and catching up all your filings to date. So if that's a problem for you, please contact us and we'd be happy to give you clarity on the next steps that you can take to reinstate your entity. Thank you, and we'll talk again soon.